Hi and welcome. My name is Sandra. You have reached my Flosstube channel, Sandra Stitching Something, and today we are filming the Flosstube episode number 35. If I'm not mistaken, I will check. I wrote it down, but for some reason I didn't check. 35, yeah, that's correct. And it will be kind of struggle to find a name for this one because I already have a Flosstube with a name I am back. So I guess that will be a problem for future me to decide how to name it. So it is 24th of April 2023. Did I say that? I'm not sure. Welcome. I have 4 projects to show today. I like it was some period of time since I did it, so I am out of practice. And let's get into stitching, and then if you will stay more, I will talk about some life stuff and the reasons behind not filming during a lot of time. First project. Okay, is this any good? Please. Yeah, you can kind of see. It is Dandellions by Alisena. I'm stitching this. It is a kit actually, so I'm stitching with all the kit materials, and it is 14 count Ada on pre-printed fabric, so it has like some, yeah, you see. I did a little bit over this side, I guess. Yeah, I will try my best to do before and after, but I'm not sure how this will go because, yeah, it's sometimes hard to find some progress pictures, and so that was our first project. I made around 170 stitches, and well, I don't like the projects that are not compatible with Pattern Keeper or Saga. It's hard for me to concentrate and find stitches. Like, I know the technology spoiled us all, and yeah, so that's why this project is not given enough love. And it will be 2 years this year, I guess, since I started it, and this is a little kit, so yeah, I hope I will be able to do more. The next one, okay, we have glare everywhere, bear with me. Yes, it shows the correct colors. I do really enjoy these colors. I love blue, and yeah, why not? So this is called Bookmarks Moon over the Forest. Company name is Adriana. And here I'm quite happy with my progress. I didn't do a lot of things, but is it okay if I show it this way? I think so. So what happened was actually I came to the very bottom of this piece, like this is the corner. And yeah, so that is all. This is how tall it will be. And I'm quite happy with it. I think I should concentrate and give more love to it, and then it will be finished someday. And then we have this beautiful girl. If you watched my channel before, you remember me working on this piece. If you hear some noises, I'm sorry. My neighbor just got home, and yeah, so this is one of my HAED projects. Mini Sleeps with Butterflies, it's called. Artwork is by Margaret Morales. I do enjoy her artwork. It's beautiful, and I plan on doing more of her things. This is stitched on 28 count, 2/1, and she's gorgeous. I reached 30% on this piece, and I'm currently working in her face area, and I have high hopes of getting the face done completely, like in next few sessions. It will be nice to have something finished, like even if it is a small part, because this is, well, technically it's not large project, but it is still full coverage and it takes time. However, if I concentrate and focus on this piece, I will be able to finish it before the end of the year. So who knows, maybe it will happen. And the last project is the one that it actually gave me motivation to come back to the stitching. This is Folk Witch and Cat. I love her to pieces. She's so gorgeous, and there are so much detail in this piece, like all the small things like candles and books and her shoes and her hair and cat. Obviously, I have a cat, Cersei. You also have seen her before if you watched my channel, and actually if you are coming here after, like, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. Thank you for waiting patiently, because I I don't think I have control over my life. For those who don't know, I live in Ukraine, and there are currently a lot of events happening. Like, a lot is happening, and it is very stressful. And also, yeah, I will talk a bit about it in live stuff. But for now, I want to show you this gorgeous project. It's not much yet. I have finished one page completely, and I'm currently working on my second one. And I don't know how good it shows, but I made a purple line to outline the end of page, and here it is, like, end of the page from the bottom, and here it is from the side. So it's like one, two, three, four rows, or 4 columns left to do in this page, like, completely. And this one, I think this one is almost done. I work with this pattern using typewriter method. If you are curious to find out what it is, you should check Sarah's Stitching Mommy, because she explains it. But what I do, I take 10 by 10 block in the column, yeah, and I'm going from top to down. Basically, I'm stitching the highest symbol in that area, and then whatever that symbol takes me, I will stitch. And then, and yeah, in some cases, I will make a pin stitch and my thread and do some other stitches with this color, just because I want to be more time efficient, I guess. By the way, this is 4%, and that's great considering that I have only been working on this like a month maybe. So yeah, I ordered from Gecko Rouge in February, and it took time to get here. It was all story about my life connections and how friends can help really in situations. Like, Gecko told me that they don't ship to Ukraine currently, and they were like, do you have some other address where we can mail it to? And I have a friend in Poland, and I asked her if it is okay if she receives my package and then transfers it to me. And she was like, yeah, okay. And yeah, it's arrived. It has arrived in March. I am not sure when, but I remember that I started the same day. I'm not very good in dates. And Yeah, so a bit about my life and how it happened that it was there were no videos. And if you don't want to hear about that, if you're here to see the projects only, it is very valid. Go on. I will hopefully do another video in like 2 weeks or something, and we will see each other then. But as for life stuff, um, it's been hard. Like I was struggling with my mental health, and I'm still are. Also, the moving process, it is a lot. I wasn't prepared at all. Like I didn't know that much that I loved that apartment very much, and now I'm in the other apartment. I'm renting a room with a lower price, and yeah, that's fine generally, but it takes time to adjust, like to changes in your life and to understand um, how to organize your stitching area and so on. And that is mainly the reason why I wasn't filming, because I wasn't stitching that much. And if I don't stitch, there is nothing I show to you. I know it makes sense. Like I just wanted to say it out loud. Anyways, thank you for listening to my Flosstube, watching to my works in progress. I also have a finish that is not cross stitch. It is a diamond painting, and I will probably show in the next um, update video, whatever. It's just that today I wanted to show my cross stitching projects. And on that note, I'm gonna end it. Like, yeah, I hope you are doing well. Stay safe. If you need some rest for your head, for your mental state, have rest. Drink water. Stay hydrated. Whatever. Like, do what is best for you. And I hope we will see you in 2 weeks' time, or yeah, in some time. Thank you very much. And also the last thing I wanted to say, I'm sorry about the quality of this video. While I was moving, I kind of lost my web camera, or maybe I don't lost it. I didn't lost it. Struggles. English is not my native language, and yeah, sometimes it's struggle. But I wanted to say that I promise I will try to find my web camera for the next update I film, and the quality will be much better. And on that note, it's yeah, it's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.